on, you filthy fucking animals. Holy shit, right? What goes up must come down. Let's go ahead and look at Redbox here, right? We called it the put printed. Where did it come down to? Oh, it came down to a familiar level. This is called support. The charts give it to you. Evil laugh, yes. The charts give it to you. Are you fucking allergic to making money? Like, are you allergic to making money? This is unexcusable. It's inexcusable. I said it's inexcusable. Listen, all right? You go ahead, run to your favorite fucking YouTuber who's going to make you feel warm and fuzzy on the inside, all right? He's going to do it. You got a fucking cab driver out there who is just milking the AMC fucking movement with bullshit. You guys are falling for it because he's speaking to your emotions. I'm going to call it for what the fuck it is. The market is not a safe place. That's why there's the word risk. We talk about risk. Listen, if you want to make real money, if you want to roll with the big boys, you know what you do. Link down in the description, also pinned in the comments. There are 122 people who are live in this stream. We're waiting for TMI, right? You guys want to roll with the big boys? I mean, that's what I am. Everybody else, I'm sorry. There's some, I got adjectives that will get me fucking canceled, and I don't give a shit. Fucking beta men. Noah, you're young. I'm going to make a man out of you. Welcome back. Haven't seen you in a while, man. Love you. Hope all is good. Hope you're enjoying your summer and hope you're staying away from truck stops. All right. So make sure you guys smash the like button. Certainly fucking helps with the algorithm. Blase, 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 blah, 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 blah. All right. At the end of the day, it's all about making money, right? I mean, that's why you guys are here. That's why you guys jumped into AMC. That's why you guys are fucking Redbox. Come on. Let's look at this. Call signal here. Boom, $16. Boom, $18. I mean, you were gifted over a 10% move. Here, you're gifted another move. I'm done here. You play the markets both ways, all right? Either you play the markets both ways or the market is going to go ahead and spear a pole so far up your ass it's going to tickle your fucking brain. And then you're going to be running around like all butthurt on fucking Twitter. Come on, man. There's no need to hate. All right? No need to hate. We were on point today. We made money today. And Damaso, you want the trading view chart the way it's set up, you go ahead, sign up. Discord, premium. You just go ahead and copy the alerts. Go through the curriculum. We break down the curriculum for you. Like, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Bunch of beta men out there. Listen, let's put this in perspective, right? The market's governed by a bunch of fucking old men. They're alphas, right? They know what the fuck they're doing. Just, you gotta be fucking alpha. Stop being beta. Use your community. Let's fuck out of here. Right? Just no. We're a community. We're a community of people helping one another to make money, secure the bag. Everything else is fucking noise. That's it. I don't know how much I got to stress this. It's fucking noise. All right? Every YouTuber out there, fucking noise. Period. Yeah, I said it. You know what? Whatever. They're all fucking noise. The chart is what you need to be paying attention to. And whether you're not, you joined this Discord, I really don't give a fuck. But you know what? If you just go ahead and take 1348 and plot it on your chart, you will make some fucking sense of it. All right? I ain't got a catalyst, Ryan. I just speak my goddamn mind. Let's go. It's all about making money. Hey, you guys ever hear the pep talks of professional sports teams? Is it fucking rosy? Like, guys, let's win the game. We win the game to get extra powder in your ass crack. No, that's not how it works. This shit's real. It's intense. It's money. It's fucking money ain't a joke. Jesus. You know, like money ain't no fucking joke. If you want some powder in your ass crack, go ahead and watch all the other fucking streamers. They'll put that powder in your ass crack, and then they'll put their dick in your ass too at the same time. Or maybe a black dildo. I don't know. Anyways, let's go ahead and bring up the tickers. Let's go. Let's make some money. You guys throw me some tickers. I wasn't wrong this morning. I ain't going to be wrong this afternoon. That's it. You want a bamba? You want to roll with the big boys? That's it. Let's go. Tickers. Bring it. Bring it. All right. SPY. Let's bring up the SPY. Let's do it. All right. SPY. We got some super tight EMAs here. This is an EMA sandwich. This is what we call an EMA sandwich, guys, right? Hit resistance, got rejected, got the put signal. Now we have RSI breaking below its moving average here on the 5-minute. This is what I like to see. I want to see some thigh gap here, right? Right now, the SPY is telling you, I got to get ready. I got to shave first. I got to lube it up. Maybe you got to eat me out a little. And you do that, I'll open my legs. And then you get some thigh gap. And then you just put it all right in there, right? And when I say put it all right in there, I'm talking about like fully entering a position, okay? You go ahead and do that. You got to go ahead and look at RSI. You got to look at MACD here. MACD is kind of tricky because we're right there by neutral. We need to start seeing some negative numbers on the MACD. We need to see some bigger bars printing on the histogram. And if you look at the STC, we looks like an apex there. All indications are saying go with the trend and make your money. It's that simple, all right? And if you look at it, the SPY was simply ranging today, right? Nothing trending, nothing exciting. That's it. That's it. All right. BRQS. Let's go ahead and look at BRQS. And you know what? I think you guys, I'm going to go ahead and rant. I'm going to rant to you. BRQS doing beautiful on the 5-minute. I would say be careful with this. The RSI, first glance, everything is tightening up. Everything is tightening up here, right? You could already see, not really feeling it right now, okay? Now, if you entered on this call, why weren't you respecting these levels? These levels would have assured that you secured the bag. Why are you down here? There's no reason for you to be down here. You know why you're down here? You're down here because emotions. That's why you're down here. Okay, rant time, really, really quick, okay? Redbox, short interest, 200%. Okay. How you guys gonna move that shit? Your retail. like, it blows my mind. How do you bitch complain about a Discord that costs $69, but yet you're going to go ahead and dump all your money in a stock that has a 200% short interest? You know what that means? That means you're running into a wall. How is that conducive to making money? How is that even fucking smart? You want to make money, go path of least resistance. And the path of least resistance is the trend because the market is telling you where it's going. And you just go with it. It opens the door for you. You want to be a beta man? Okay. Let the chick in front of you open the door for you and say go. Because that's what 1348 is all about. It's telling you go. You follow the trend and you make your money. 200% short interest? Come on. You guys are acting like you're gonna change the markets. No, you ain't changing a fucking thing. Right? What you should be changing is your lives. What you should be changing is your family's overall situation. And you know what? Let me go ahead and see if I could go ahead and bring up the mic a little more. Okay, it's back. You're good. All right, time to bring the man into the show. He's sitting there. He's sipping on something. I don't know what the fuck he's sipping on, but we're going to find out. We got the man, the myth, the legend. Let's go.
I heard you going off already. I was just like, oh, we about to sip on something good right now. I was like, let me just pour. It's Monday. I know. You got to enjoy yourself a little bit. Fuck it.
Seriously, let's make some fucking money, man. Come on, dude. What did you play today, man? What you went to today?
Well, first, if you wouldn't mind going off on a little rant, I would like to join in on going off a little rant myself. I think it's a key part of it, right? I think it's a key part of the stream. So let's see if we can get the much better now. Perfect. All right. So first things first.
He's got the OnlyFans camera set up. Look at that. He's got the high. He's got the low.
You know the ones. You know the angles.
You
know the ones. So on the weekend, right? We were talking about Bitcoin coming back down to 25,000. Hours later, it came back down to 25,000. Now, why did it come back down to 25,000? Not because I said it was going to come back down to 25,000. Not because I prayed it was going to come back down to 25,000. Not because I looked at the way that the stars and the moon was going to be looking around. No, it's because the chart said down and the Bitcoin chart moved with it. Ethereum moved with it. Every other cryptocurrency on the market moved with it. It's that simple. But then the second thing is the 4-hour cross. I tweeted this out on Thursday of last week. Said, hey guys, look, the 4-hour cross came down again for the SPY. Last time this happened, SPY went from 445 to 380. Free information. Free information. Last time we saw this cross, the SPY went from 445 to 380. The market dropped 20%. What happens next 2 days? Down 2% the next day. What happens today? The SPY is currently down 3% again today. The SPY has dropped 25% of what we already told you was going to happen on Thursday. Why? Because we're just simply reading the chart and going with the trend. If you were not telling people or were not aware of the fact that the market was already coming back down that much, I don't know what you're doing. If the market movement is oblivious to you at this point in time, I don't know what you're doing, mind you, because we not just because we said so, because we believe, we're reading it like music and we're telling you what the song sounds like. That's it. That is it. So today, SPY puts, baby played SPY puts twice for a overall account upgrade of like 8% today. Like it was decent. It was just bang bang.
All right. So let's break it down. Break it down. Let him see it, bro.
All right. So very first, start off there. Go to 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock, we had the previous level of support that basically just got broken down below and then got rejected. It got rejected from the previous level of support as well as the 13 EMA. That little rim rejection there was a beautiful put play. Not only that put play, but you get out the first candle of rejection, which is perfect. Cool. You're out. It got rejected again at the 13 right there at around, wait, scroll back a little bit. Right there. It got rejected right there at the 13. Once it broke down below new day lows again, I played puts again. Those two put plays themselves were amazing plays today. From there, the day was basically done. Very simply. Off the 4-hour, I knew which way the market was going to be going. I knew which way the trend was going to be going. Off the gap down, confirmation, wait for that low rejection after 13. Boom, boom, put.
There you go. There you go. GMI also highlighted the concept that we talk about here in 1348, where if you have a candle that breaks, this candle is not valid. The whole candle is valid. When you get it right below this level, right? This is still, as long as the candles and the wicks are still flirting with the level of support, it is not valid. Yeah, you can front run it, but what if it bounces? So
exactly.
You wait for this to happen, and then obviously you could see how the 13 starts acting as resistance, and that's what you want. Okay, up until we found this level, and what did it do? It bounced. It bounced.
And it's good to be out.
Yes. Now, let's talk about this call play here as pertaining to the rules. Okay, this call play was right here. You got it. RSI checks out. MACD checks out. Shaft trend checks out. But where's
one more? That 200 EMA, where's it at?
It's below the 200 EMA. Stick to the rules, baby. But we were going to go through the progressions here, but you already see that this level of resistance has already shown itself. And it showed itself, and it did not give a fuck. It was right there, and it was saying, okay, don't be a dumbass. I'm right here, right? Yep. The rule also, below 200 EMA, you're biased to puts. It's that simple. It is that simple, okay? So, guys, let's not go ahead and overcomplicate this. We have the rules in place, and the rules are going to have you win 8 out of 10 times, which is more than enough to set you and your family off to, just Disney. Take your kids to Disney, financial freedom, passion pursuits, all that stuff, right? You
Yep. Yep.
live,
Yep. Yep.
live, live, live up to your own potential. Listen. Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Oh, we knew one of those
All
today.
right.
Okay. Wait, do I need to
Okay.
get back my seat?
Yeah, you probably gonna have to lay back. You're gonna have to lay back. This one. All right. Here we go. All right. Check this out. Your whole life, you've been trained to follow the trend. Get good grades, do what everybody else is doing. Everybody's telling you go to college and then go get a good job. You're following the trend, right? But that trend had resistance somewhere. That trend
Yep.
was only going to get you so fucking far, right? But the thing is
Yep.
you followed the trend, right? You live in the same middle class neighborhood as your friends, or maybe your trend wasn't big enough or strong enough, and you got limited somewhere. Okay. The thing is that now you could go ahead and take that same mindset that you were already trained and conditioned to do, and apply it to these charts and start following the trend with these charts. You see, like your potential is now unlimited, and that's what we've been trying to share with you guys forever. You've been following the trend your whole life. You've been set up to be a worker. You've been set up to be limited. You've been set up to be middle class to carry this economy while the rich get richer and the poor get poor. That's what you've been set up to do. And if you followed the trend carefully enough, that's exactly what you would have achieved. Middle class. You know what that equals? Mediocrity. I think every single one of you are exceptional fucking beings, and I believe in you more than you probably believe in yourself. Right?
I can see that. I can see that.
Yes.
I think I'll say this too, right? Is that, well, I quit my job last year, right? So I think the trend had a path that was conducive of pleasing others, pleasing your parents. You're not going against what your friends are doing. It's just you're doing what will be socially acceptable as good, right? But then at a certain point in time, you're like, you know what? I don't want to have to go to ask somebody else to go make more money. It's frustrating. I don't want to have to be nervous about going into a meeting to go ask somebody else, hey, look, I want a 5% raise. I don't want to have to go get my charts together and say, hey man, look how much value I'm bringing to the company. I gotta. No. If I want to be able to do more, get more, receive more, make more, put in the time, put in the work, and then your ceiling is whatever you make. It's a huge difference there, right? So even between last year, the metaphorical ceiling was gone, but I still had my own ceiling, or just kind of like what I could fathom would be possible. And even, I wouldn't say this year, I would say probably around November, when I went short on Tesla in around December. That's when I was just like, oh, I can do anything. It was just like, you can just make this market your beast, right? So guys, this, like, the keys are in there in the Discord for you guys. If you guys aren't in there already, I mean, it's cool. You guys don't have to go in there. That's perfectly fine. If there's gonna be a price target that kind of deteriorates you from making more money, that's your own. But I think that investing in yourself is cool. Investing in yourself is great. And I think that people that have are reaping the rewards of it every single day, especially with those who saw the market coming down 5% over the last 2 days. Like, that in itself is priceless.
Yes. Now, let's go ahead and give them what they want, because everybody wants some Redbox.
Give the people what they... Oh, you know what? Hold on a second. Can I put my screen really quickly? Because I'm about to go off in Redbox. Because I saw some people that were talking spicy tea in the live chat. So I want to just really quickly let them know what Redbox really has to say.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it.
Uh-oh. You good? You still there? All right. I don't know exactly what just happened just now.
I'm here.
Oh, okay. All right, sick. I was just like, I don't know if I just deleted him from here or what just happened there. All right, cool. So we spoke about this previously, people. For those of you guys who are already paying attention, for those of you guys who weren't, welcome in. We saw Redbox see a high of 1463 yesterday. Not yesterday, last trading day. My apologies. After we saw the height, saw the next level of resistance around 1381. I put a video this weekend telling you guys exactly what's going to happen with Redbox. It was going to come back down to test this level of support, and it did. Not to go in and buy calls at open, not to go in and risk your money to afford to play. If you're going to play this, I say don't put more than you can afford to lose. Play this like any other play. Don't play this with diamond hands. Don't play this with the invasion of the moon. Scalp the fuck out of it. Make your money, put it on the side, and get ready to get into another play. It doesn't have this stock specifically. But if you're going to look at this stock, it's not moving abnormally to what you should be used to seeing, i.e., one, gap up, great. Previous level of resistance, highlight here, 1 and 2. What happened today? Got rejected from the same previous level of resistance that the chart was already showing. Great. What happened from there? Back down to the next levels of support. What did we get here? We got the put play. Put play low 1565. It saw a low of 1426. If you're playing stocks, not options, stocks, and you got this put play, that right there is 8.7% gain. That is your day done right there. That in itself is the day done right there off of stocks, not options, just as simply just looking at the charts. Now, if you want to say, hey, look, that's not below the 200 EMA, that's fine. Sure. Okay, cool. That's fine. That's perfectly fine. But I also didn't see anything that said buy a call option today at all in the market. Did you see any crossovers on the 5-minute bullish crossovers in the market today for Redbox? Because I didn't see anything that said call. I'm seeing here no crossover here, no crossover, no crossover here, no crossover here. So there should have been not a single person that should have bought a call for Box today if you're learning how to read these charts, because nothing says call at all. The only sign that I saw was a bearish one. Get the fuck out. That was it. If you want to buy and hold for a longer squeeze play, that's your own prerogative. I'm talking about simply making money in the market. Nothing said bullish about the market today. Maybe for a split second, but it wasn't a clear signal. You shouldn't have done it. That's all I got. That is all I got.
All right, let me go ahead. We're gonna take over. Woo! I love it. Okay, check this out. Now, we're gonna go ahead and bring up Redbox here. Now, I did get a call here on the 5-minute on the chart. I have extended hours toggled on. Not sure the anomaly there, but this is what's happening here. That 200 EMA, that was your savior right there.
Yep.
And as it stands right now, Shaft Trend is saying, go fuck your mother. MACD, right? You don't have enough buyer's momentum here. And what do we say? When RSI is below 50, it is trending down. And it looks like the RSI is converging on its moving average. So what do we have? We have an EMA sandwich where the 13 is literally pushing the price down below the 200 EMA. Savage. Emotional damage.
That's it.
That's it, guys.
I mean,
Listen,
like,
man. We don't do anything special. TMI, what do we do that's so special? We don't do anything special.
Everything we do is boring. We just look at the charts, make money, and then call it a day. That's it.
Yeah.
That's
You
it.
know, why do we listen to guys with so much speculation? And within that speculation is so many different contradictions. And so within the speculation, you contradict yourself. And okay, tell me, what do I do? You just spoke a lot of shit and I just listened. And by virtue of me listening to you, because you post videos 3 times a fucking day talking about the same shit redundantly over and over and over, you know exactly who the fuck I'm talking about.
Whoop. Oh, sorry.
How do you put me in an actionable position to make me money?
I can tell you. I can very much tell you. Not how they do it, but I can tell you, right? This is my thing. If you're gonna have a thought and idea, right? That is fine. But it's just that. It is just that. So for example, if you have a business that you want to run and you want somebody to invest in your business, that's fine. Show me a business plan and show me how it's going to happen. And then show me the progress you've made over the last little while. Once I see the progress, then it's like, okay, you know what? There might be something here. And to me, the progress would equate to a crossover. For example, if you see a catalyst coming, if you see some sort of reason for there to be a movement in the market, I would want to see the market show me a reflection of your theory. Until I see the market on the charts show me a reflection of your theory, I'm not doing anything with my money. It's worth my time to listen, not worth my time to invest. Once I see it moving on the market, now you got my interest. But I'm not going to be going based off of the catalyst. I might just tune in because of the catalyst, and then I'm going to be strictly going based off of the charts. For example, if there is a social buzz about a stock on Twitter or about on FinBiz or whatever the hell it is, great. I'll go look at that. But and from there, I'm not moving off of catalyst. I'm moving off of the charts. The catalyst brought me there. The charts keep me there. That's it.
That's it. That is it. That is it. Also, I will keep talking about beta men because beta men are bitches. You know, like go try to buy some alpha, bro. Seriously. Try to buy some alpha, bro. Like, come at me, bro. Come on, man. I've been getting hate. I specialize in hate. I love it. I love it. I've been hated my whole entire fucking life. See, if I care, I'll still fuck your wife. Anyways, at the end of the day, let's go.
Way to cut it straight. You got a duck. You just cut that straight.
All right, let's get. Come on, guys. You guys got to throw these tickers, man. You got to make this educational. Got to make it fun. Got to make it actionable, and we got to make some money here. So,
you know what? Here, pull up Tesla really quickly.
Tesla. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Tesla. You're about to see something on Tesla on the 3-minute.
On the 3-minute. Let's bring her. Let's get it. Ooh.
Okay, so Tesla right now is testing support.
Yes.
All right. Off rejection here. So we could very well potentially watch the support break and watch it go from one level of support to another level of support in the next 15, 20 minutes. Right. It broke down right now as we have it on the chart. So right now is currently the previous level of support was roughly 651. And it's now currently trading at 650. So the next level of support we have there is roughly at 644. We could see Tesla come back down to 644 today. Right now, obviously we just put it up on the charts. We're not entering this trade, this trade, but rejection off the 13, like we've seen several times before, breaking down below support is conducive of a rim play, which could be very lucrative. Now, I would make sure that the rest of the market is following suit, and the SPY is also pushing down, breaking down below its level of support at the same time. So it looks good. It looks very good right now.
You know what you know what else looks really good? You know what else looks really good, TMI?
It looks really good.
You know what else is really good? We're outperforming fucking ARK investments. Kathy Woods could sit on it and fucking rotate. I'll make a woman out of you. Let's go back to the charts here.
This guy went left field. Oh my days. Okay, I need to pull up what ARK investments. That is interesting. Hold on a second. What are they at? They gotta be red this year.
Well, Kathy threw a couple of mil at Tesla last week.
Last week?
I believe so.
That's not good.
All right, let's go ahead and let's look at Apple. People want Apple. GMI, let's go, man. Let's give the people what they want. We are the people's champ. Can someone cue the Rocky fucking music? Let's go. Jeez. All right, let's go. All right, GMI, take it away.
I love it. Okay. Apple, this is again following the rest of the trend of the market. Plus, we are seeing a great put play here on the 3-minute. So you got the put signal. It came back down, almost bouncing off of support, rejected off the 13, came back down to break down below it. Now, if it gets rejected right now on the upside of support, this will come back down to see that 132.50 to 132.75 level by end of day today. This looks great for a few different reasons here. One is those potential breakthroughs on the 200 EMA. Can you switch to the 5-minute really quickly?
The 5-minute, let's go. All right.
Yeah. So when you look at it on the 5-minute, you can tell this thing was not going to break out. I don't care how many pump fakes it gave people in the market today. This was not going to break out. And I can tell, but it didn't hit the 200 EMA on the 5-minute by simply looking at the 3-minute. Those little brisk runs over the 200 EMA on the 3-minute with less than 3-4 candles, isn't it? isn't it? Right. So you saw the previous level of resistance that was highlighted at 10 a.m. this morning. Apple never saw a new high.
There you go.
Yep. Never saw a new high. Just rejected. Now they got rejected on the 5 minute from the 48, on the 3 minute from the 13. We're looking for a retest of the lows. SPY got a little bit of a bounce right now. That's why everything's coming back up. But SPY's been just acting whippy. So give it some time. Let it marinate. It's starting to get rejected from the previous level support right now. Yeah, I'm looking for another retest here of 132.50, 132.75 by end of day, if not tomorrow.
That's it. That is it. Guys, I feel like I'm the teacher's pet right now. I'm just coming in for the assist and just going through the charts, but
I just tossed the alley-oops.
yeah. He's reading my mind. I'm reading the chart. I'm like, yeah, okay, makes sense to me.
It works.
It works. All right. And I apologize to the beta man. I'm sorry your dick don't work. Okay, so back to the charts.
Is what it is, guys.
Is what it is.
Question. I saw one point on the live stream this morning, SPY cross on the 5 minute, not the 3 minute. That was the first time I saw that happen. Does this happen often? I can take that one if you want to. The lower the time frame, the more crosses there are. The higher the time frame, the less crosses there are. The higher the time frame, the more solid of a movement you're seeing. So it doesn't happen that often because 3 and 5 are so close. But what you will see is like on the 1 minute, they'll cross like 4 times for every 1 time across on the 5 minute, or on the 5 minute, it'll cross 3 times for every 1 time across on the 15. So it does happen, but those usually are indicative of plays you shouldn't get into.
The SPY was already telling you what it wanted here on the 4 hour. Let's not act brand new.
That's it.
Come on. Remember in the curriculum, in the trading videos in the curriculum, I talked about how the larger time frames govern the smaller time frames. It's right there. Please don't act brand new. If you're in this Discord, make sure you make use of the curriculum videos because we covered these very concepts.
Yep.
Larger time frames. Yeah. The daily, let's look at the daily. What is she doing on the daily?
It's been bad ever since. That daily cross came above 440, and it's been dragging ass ever since the daily crossover. So people, listen, if you're new, right? If you're new and you don't have time to jump into these streams all the time, and you can't trade all the time, we would have highlighted a daily cross. Can you use the meter stick there to pull down from where the put symbol is to where it is right now?
All right, so we are going. What am I looking for here?
Right there. Yeah, just click that and then bring it down from the put symbol all the way down to where we are now. How much percent is that?
We are looking at 15%.
So how many days does it say? 57 days. So in the last 2 months, the market has come down. Oh wait, and can you bring a bit to the left?
Oh, we can go from a high right here.
No, just from the put symbol. Just from the put symbol.
All right, we're right there on the put symbol. Up. Oh man, this is where you got to take control, guys. I suck.
I got you. But yeah. Okay, so right there to the left. The first time I hit the low.
Yep, right there.
Okay, so you had 60 days to get down to 50% or maybe even 25 days, right? If you were in the Discord, I got the daily notification on the put play and allowed yourself to either one, remove your long investments from the market because you know the market's going to be coming down. 2, you would have had an opportunity to either get in on a put play, a long dated put play that you didn't have to monitor if you're not day trading, if you don't have time for that, a few hours a day to be tuning into the streams. You would have had an opportunity to 1, recognize a trend, and 2, brace yourself for what's coming, or 3, participate in the downside of the play. If in 30 days this thing came down 15%, those puts would have been up thousands of percent easily. And this is not something you have to monitor on a daily basis. It's just very, very clear cut, right? So keep that in mind, guys.
That's it. That's it.
The trend, yeah, the trend, guys, is great. But I think some of the ways that, we're slowly starting to move out here with the at the money, in the money, out the money options, that the hive mind that's slowly developing in the Discord, people speaking about different plays and options and what makes them better, what makes them worse. Like, Like even the chat sometimes qualifying what plays are better to participate in than others is amazing. And I'll watch it. And I'll watch people having that discussion thinking, you know what, they're right. NVIDIA is looking better than AMD right now in this put play. Let me jump in this bad boy. You make 13% instead of making 8. You know what I mean? Like these are things that you can't really go out there and find. It's lovely.
Yep. Dude, I love it. I love it.
It's the truth. It's just the truth.
Let's go ahead and look at NVIDIA. So, guys, you're going to find that a lot of these big boys are going to be following the SPY. We see that with NVIDIA. Let's see what we see with AMD. I mean, a little more pronounced with AMD, although AMD hasn't really given us a signal on the 5-minute, but you could see it's a little more pronounced. I would call it just ranging. Now, let's go ahead and Tesla is definitely following the SPY here. I mean, we covered that. Definitely following the SPY. All right. What else? Let's go ahead and look at Meta and following the SPY here.
Oh, yeah.
Right. And then Apple, of course, doing the same thing. All right. So, guys, we are in some, it's very, very tight. Everything is super, super tight. And, you know, me personally,
Yep.
I'm probably not trading this afternoon. I am probably not
Safe.
trading this afternoon. The risk to
Safe,
reward is not
safe,
there for me.
safe. Exactly.
It is not there for me. Now, we go to Redbox. Let's see what Redbox is doing. Redbox is hovering at that 200 EMA, and it's holding on for dear life right now.
That's
Okay.
it.
Now,
Just
we
hold it.
we have a trend. We have a trend moving on up here on the 5-minute, but it's still below 50. I need to see it above 50 for me to say, okay, I'll enter this play, but what's my range? My range is probably not even worth the risk right now as well, because you have the 48 right there ready to cock block you at 1581. So why do it? You're absolutely correct. Arvin, EMA sandwich. Okay. So when you recognize these things with EMA sandwiches, when you recognize that price is now caught, this is violent. You guys, it doesn't look violent, but it's very, very violent because it's just literally getting smacked. If you were to put this on the 1 second ticker, you would see how violent this is, right? But this is violent. So no, it doesn't give me the signal with confidence. It's just telling me it can go either way, but RSI is just pretty much leading the way for me right now. So that is where we are at. So Ryan says it's very frustrating not making a trade in a day to not make an account increase in a single day. It's very disappointing. So Ryan, I will say this to you, okay? The fact that you're not confident about a play is you recognizing your skill set and your skill level at this point, and this is actually a good thing. Don't force the trade for the sake of forcing a trade. If you do not feel comfortable, if you are looking at the chart and saying, okay, you know what, this isn't for me, it isn't for you. But don't get frustrated that the fact that you're preserving capital in a market that nest eggs are getting hurt right now. 401ks are getting slaughtered right now. People are
Nest eggs
losing
are getting
all
hurt.
kinds of
Yep.
money.
Yep. You're dead
So
right.
for you to say, okay, you know what? There wasn't a trade for me today. I preserved capital. You're on the right side of the trade. The absolute right side of the trade. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing
That's
wrong with
it.
that.
So, and I'll say this too, right? You're looking at here. I'll pull this up really quickly. This is a SPY, right? I'm going to pull this up with no markers on it. It's just a SPY in the 5-minute, right? So if you're looking at this play and you're saying, hey, look, there's nothing there for me. I'll just move this up a little bit so you guys can see it. There's nothing here for me. I looked at this play and I said, you know what? I like what I'm seeing here. If I can get in on play on this, this new low here at You can see I already had it highlighted. I would love to get in on this pair because I recognize the downtrend, I recognize the rejection, I recognize the new daytime low. Now, there was a time where I would probably here. And with time, you start figuring out, all right, you know what? Entering here. With more time, you start entering here. With more times you realize earlier, you start entering up here. At some point times, I was either entering here where it's just way too late or not entering at all. In time, you will recognize them faster and get in on these plays earlier and become more profitable. But I think if you didn't get in on any play today and the market's down 2.6%, you're okay. You're okay. Your money is worth 1 second. What's the spot down? 2 point. Your money is worth 2.7% more by not doing a damn thing. That is fine. If the market went up 2.87%, that would suck a little more. The market went down. You have time to make it back on the upside whenever that time comes. No rush. This is a bear market right now. We're chilling. Play puts, get paid. If not, just chill on the sideline. Wait for the next at-bat.
I agree.
My mom's 401k is crashing, but I had her buy MCGME with it. We know getting along for 30 years. Well, look, I think playing 401ks and playing long-term investments is great. I shouldn't say playing. Investing is great. I think that in regards to people heading into a recession, I think learning how to navigate the markets is invaluable. Even today, there was somebody who said they played puts today, made $600 going to help pay for the trip to Europe. Like, that's life. That is it right there. It took half an hour of your time, get in and get out, and then you change your next month ahead of you, right? Like, that's life.
Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. All right. Somebody throw a ticker at us right now. Somebody throw a ticker at us because
that's the good stuff. What are you guys looking at?
Let's go. What are you looking at? Because I'm looking at Redbox and ain't nothing to see here.
It's going down. We're yelling timber. Listen, if this thing comes down, I will say this though. This is one of the first, I would say, meme stop ticker that I've seen retail. I tweeted this out that I've seen retail playing both sides on, openly so, and no one gave a fuck.
Yeah.
This is one of the first times. So there are some people that are still looking at it in a way that I wouldn't say is necessarily, to the best of their ability, the most profitable, or not something that I would, prefer for people to do. But to each their own. Everyone has the opportunity to make their own decisions here. But this time around, I think that, and maybe honestly, a lot of it has to do with maybe you just yelling at people. People are looking at this like, okay, how do I come out of this play profitable? Forget which direction I'm in. How do I come out with the best potential trade for myself? And that part has been nice to see a slow progression come into. Oh no, Mara's gonna be coming down. Look at this bad boy. Is this on the 5-minute?
This is the 5-minute. We're fixing to get that cross, guys. Okay, so for those who are not in the Discord and you joined in on the stream because this is a public stream, let me tell you something. Let me make this very clear. Stocks below $10 can easily be manipulated, and you're not the one moving the market. Trust me on this one. This is why we stay away from those $10 plays. You just don't want to do it, right? These are the kinds of plays that get manipulated, and I don't trust my money in them. Okay, let's go ahead and look at MU. You could see it's fixing on its way down. RSI is telling you it's already pitched down. MACD giving you the signal. Sharp trend giving you the signal. Baby, if you did not get out at these levels, this call came. You hit resistance. You came back down. Had to deal with that emotional damage. You came right back up, and I swear. Listen, I'm here to make money. I am not here to freaking believe in Jesus. I'm not here to pray. This is a prayer. I don't do that. Right? Like, you just, oh my God. Anyways, move on to MU here. Let's check out Micron. Let's look at Micron here. Following the market, pretty much.
Yeah, it's getting a little tight, guys. It's getting a little tight.
Okay. Salvatore Piazza. Redbox is going to squeeze soon. Okay. Just send me the memo when it does. I'll play it, and then I'll go short. Let's see. Microsoft. Let's do that. MSFT.
Ooh, ooh. This is not Sesame Street.
This isn't Sesame Street. No way. RD, is there a difference in the coloring of the lines on your chart? Like, is one support and one resistance? Yes. So, green is resistance, red is support here, right? But what happens here is that when price breaks above, let's say, resistance, it now acts as support, but the line color does not change. Okay.
Yeah.
Um,
That's so you guys know
let's
that
go ahead and
it's
look at
previous levels of
Redbox.
support or resistance.
Oh yeah, let's go ahead. Give your analysis on Microsoft right here because I mean she's trading flat to me. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. With Microsoft, to me, you would have to see well, one, I don't think you're going to see a breakdown yet, right? You'd have to see a clear-cut breakdown of, I would say, like 2 or 3 candles, where I would want, like, okay, scroll back a little bit to that last little dip there that I had right before, like 5, 6 candles back. Yeah. So that little dip there where it came back down to see support and then kind of just like slowly dipped below it and got bought back up. That right there is fake out breakdown, right? Where it's not really giving you what you want. The candle's soaking when you have a candle sitting there with a huge wick below and it gets bought back up in that same period. That's not what you want. You want a clear cut break. It didn't really cross since what, maybe 10:30, 10:45, and since then it's already come back up to retest higher than that original put play. It's just not a play for me today.
Yeah,
Just not really feeling.
yeah, yeah. I mean, hey guys, if you want to come in here and talk about Redbox, what do you think it won't with the 200% short interest? Listen, I don't run into walls. I just don't like running into walls. Listen, you guys can go ahead and play Redbox. You know what? If by any chance you make it go, I promise you 1348 will be right there for everyone to run with it. And
Yeah.
then when you're wondering, when do I get out? 1348 will be right there telling you when to get out. I'm done.
Honestly, 1348 kind of told me with Redbox already today, don't buy calls yet. It said it's not time. It said don't calls yet. All day today it said don't buy calls. Actually, it said don't buy calls today so much to the point where it almost said buy puts at 950. It almost said get puts at 950. And if you did get puts at 950, you would have been in the red half an hour later because it didn't quite cross over, but you would have been in the green now. Like that crossover there on the 5 minute earlier, it wasn't below the 200 EMA, right?
Nope.
That put play, it wasn't below the 200 EMA, but it would have potentially had you there ready to go. Potentially had you there ready to rock. But you wouldn't have touched it. You would have gone on the call play. You would have got the calls. You would have went up. Who knows what? What was that? From $16 up to $18. You would have had calls. That is more than 10%. That's like 15% from the stock. You probably would have got up 25, 30% with your options. Get out at that point in time. Get in on puts. You would have played both the downsides. Like you could have played this 13 ways from Sunday already. Guys, short interest is one thing, a catalyst is another. And when you start to see things move, the charts will let you know how legit it is. No fake out
Exactly.
breakouts, no pump fakes, no I woulda, shoulda, coulda. It'll let you know when it's time.
Absolutely. All right. We have AERC. Okay. I'm actually liking this one. I'll tell you why I'm liking it.
Hit
At
me.
this moment of time, hold on. I like it from here. You made that
Mhm.
run. You made some money. Right here now, you got faked out on the put. You're
Yep.
probably going to get faked out on the call because
Yep.
you have resistance right there. Look what's also happening here with the RSI. It's crossing down into its moving average, which is telling me it's losing steam here. But for what it is, 1348 brought you from $11 to as high as 17. Why would you even trade anymore after making a move like this?
Your day's done. Your day is finished. You are good
You're,
to go.
you're done. You are done. Wow. You are done. Okay. So that's AERC. Let's go ahead and take a look at what did anybody else ask for? We don't talk about AMC here, but GMI, what do we do? What do we do? We give them AMC or we don't?
Give him AMC. Give him AMC. You gotta give him the goods.
Okay.
Realistic outlook for we're heading.
What are we looking at here, man?
Please go to the 4 hour first.
Where do you want to go?
Go to the 4 hour.
This is the 5 minute.
No, I know. Go to the 4 hour first, so we can kind of see the overall trend, because I think that part's important. Yeah.
Woo.
Okay. So right now, guys, the next level of support that I'm looking at is scroll down just a little bit, is roughly 1050, 1030. Yeah, right there. 1033. Okay. That is where I think AMC is ultimately heading if we do continue along this trend without any sort of bullish catalyst. That is ultimately where the stock is going, seemingly because we have a downtrend. We're heading towards support. We've seen this before. Last time we had that put play, we came down to a level of support. Now the next level of support that we already broke down below would be 1035 or 1040, wherever that level is, right? Yeah. Now on the 5 minute, we are having a little bit of a bullish run here, but I would say we are probably going to run into the 200 EMA and see serious levels of rejection at the best, right? So 1180, 1190 is the height. Right now we are testing resistance, previous level of resistance. We have a previous level of support that's skipping through from the pre-market as well. That's just above it. We got ourselves a little bit of work to do if the stock's going to come back up to see anything close to a respectable day today, right? So it's just chilling today. Nothing. Now
let's go ahead and look at Tesla, because Carol D plays is holding puts. Come on, let's save it. Woo! Oh, no, it's obvious. It's obvious. This is obvious. Carol, you took this put play on a 5 minute? Did you take it? Why chance it now? Why chance it? Why are we doing that? Why are we doing that?
You had it. That's a big put play. Because if you got in on that 5, is this a 5 minute? Yeah, you got in at what, 360?
Yeah, on this candle.
350? Oh man, you had it good. I know Tesla at the back of my hand. That's at least an 8.5 to 9.5% run. Easy. Oh, sorry. 18 to 29% run. That's $10. 18 to 29% run off that put play in itself.
That's it. As we say, it gave you more than you deserve. If you're up 13%, secure the bag. It's that simple. Your portfolio is up 1.3%. If you had a 10% allocation, and we know that 1.3% compounded every day will make you a fucking millionaire in the span of a year or two.
13%. She said she's up 13%. Come on now. Tell me we don't know our shit. Come on. Hey, I didn't even look at what option you bought. I'm just telling you, whatever you're in, that's what you're up. Okay. What Gabe said is key. That 1% compounding interest is key. It turns 10,000 to 123,000. Okay. It turns 20,000 to $1 million. Guys, one play, 10% is your 1% of your account. That is hitting a base hit. You do that once a trading day and you turn 10,000 into 100,000. You pay your taxes. Next year, you got $500,000. You pay your taxes. And next year, you can quit your job and get the girlfriend that you always wanted for your girlfriend's boyfriend's husband. You can do whatever the hell you guys want. No judgment. You could be out there on the beach somewhere, trading with your laptop. Gabe's already rubbing his nipples. He's just getting a little, having some fun already, getting used to this little imaginary vacation we're going on. Listen, base hits, that's what gets the game won. Base hits. Home runs are nice. Grand slams are cool. Don't chase them. Let them come to you.
You talking to me, Poppy. Those are, that's what I want to hear. That's what I want to hear.
Is it?
You make that 13%.
You were streaming from Discord? Justin Hart? Hey, now you know. Every day at 2 p.m. That's where we at. Chilling. Today's a slow day. When the market gets back to normal and we start afternoon plays, it gets deadly, boy. I tell you, it gets deadly. The first time that I hopped at 2 p.m., I was done. I had great on that streak of plays, right? This rim plays is lovely. I'm like, I'm done for the day. I hop onto the 2 p.m. live stream, and we looked at an D cross, an NVDA cross, and a SPY put. And I was thinking to myself, if I was trading right now, I would have made myself at least 5 figures in the last 50 minutes just chilling to these live streams. I was like, all right, you know what? We might need to adjust the rules just a little bit for maybe minimum 1 trade for one of these streams, and we'll kind of go from there because it's good.
Yes. So, Zanny, do you guys do live trading? We are live trading now. The market's live. Anybody who's following the 1348 crossover strategy, we're guiding you to profitability. Now, I mean, $69 seems like an awful lot of money, right? But when you start making thousands of dollars on the account, I feel like we're giving this shit away for free. And it's true.
Plus, it costs a lot to we can't really say what's coming. We can't really say what's coming. We're reinvesting back to make sure this is going to be a place where people can feel comfortable and knowledgeable and educated to maneuver through these markets. It's going to be like a freaking retail investor wonderland. But somebody said, do you have educational videos? Yes, there are new syllabus that are up in the Discord right now, breaking down the strategy, breaking down options, mechanics. I have 101 TA videos coming out soon as well to add to the group. Like, there is going to be a library specifically for the Discord. For if you don't know what stock, if you don't know what a stock is, until you want to get yourself into freaking butterfly options, we will have everything from A to Z. Plus
A to Z. I love it. You got me with my Bill Cosby Jello pudding face. Love it. Okay, let's go ahead and look at some here.
So yeah, I'll pull that up. I like it.
Okay, this I'm not touching it. I am biased to puts here on the 200 EMA. I am biased to puts, but with this level of support right here coming back down, I mean, that's 95.70. That's a dollar move. As I stated, I'm not trading this afternoon, right? I just listen, 3 o'clock, 3:30, 3:45, you could see a market rally. You could. We can't predict that, right? But as it stands right now, no, this is just not good for me. You got an EMA sandwich. We don't have a signal being called here. And as you can see, you had this put that turned into a call. You had this call that turned into a put. Fool me once, shame on me. No, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. And we're not going to do this a third time, right? This is not a good setup, right? SPY putting. Let's go ahead and check out SPY. I love SPY.
If SPY's going down, it's going to bring over some. Okay.
Emotional damage.
Just by looking at this, could you go to Apple? Because we called out Apple, I want to say 30 minutes ago. And I want to say, look at that fucking beautiful put play called out to ET. You scroll back in this live stream, ladies and gentlemen. What's the bottom of this candle right now? What is the low of this candle right here? That green candle. No, the one that's on right now. Is that the low? The support level? So the support level that broke down right above it until where it currently is, that is the play. 133.13 down to 132.50. That is a scalp play. That's your 5-10% play done. That is clean, and that was called out 20-30 minutes ago. Then you look at SPY, or you look at Tesla right now, because when the SPY is coming down, that momentum is pushing it with it. The rim drops are coming. Tesla's dropping. I can imagine NVIDIA is probably doing the same thing. Look at this shit right here. Now, Tesla's having a little bit more of a tough time because it wants to get bullish because it has the stock split news coming out right now. So it wants to get bullish. But even Tesla dropped down below support and it's getting rejected on the downside, which would be very bearish short term.
Yes. Let's look at NVIDIA. Ooh. Okay. Ooh.
So that looks like it
Okay.
can come down to 156. Actually, say you run through it.
All right, EMA sandwich right here. We got RSI coming back into its moving average. Yeah, the sellers are in control, but this isn't going to last very long. This is NVIDIA. You got to give NVIDIA respect. Give it the respect it deserves. Now, is it going to go ahead and break through? It looks like it wants to. Again, you see this convergence here, right? This is telling me everything I need to know initially while I'm looking at it. This put play, it paid. It paid. Where did it come down to? Where did it come down to? We got to zoom out and see, and we don't really have data as to where it's coming down to. So, guys, this is when RSI comes in for the save because NVIDIA has not been in these levels. Let's go ahead, bring her out into the daily here. Look at that. Right there. Oh my God. The daily. The daily for the support.
Son of a gun.
Gotta look at your time frames, baby. Gotta look at them time frames. Woo, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is basically 10, 11 trading days ago. And yeah, stocks have memory. They have muscle memory.
Oh yeah.
They have muscle memory. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at the SPY on a daily. The SPY on a daily is going to take us way back into time.
Oh, it's going back. Throwback. Look at that. Look, can you wait? Hold on a second. Do you know how disgusting that 3-day drop is for SPY right now? Oh my God. If you had puts on the SPY off of that 4-hour crossover, people, they are up thousands of percent. Now, you don't got to hold them up thousands of percent. Getting in and out is the way to make money, of course. But just looking at that, it's just
disgusting. Disgusting. And Justin, yeah, we calling it out, baby. I don't know, man. Monday morning quarterbacks? No. We're guiding the offense, baby. That's what we doing. We are guiding the offense. Look at this
Monday morning quarterbacks. Monday morning quarterbacks. Motherfucker, I tweeted it out when it happened. I tweeted out for free. I tweeted out 4 hours, 4-hour block. Last time this happened, we went from 445 to 380. Tweeted out last Thursday on the cross when it happened. If you didn't buy puts, you're not a Monday morning quarterback. You're a cheerleader who's going to be flown out and dealt with in a disgusting way that you wouldn't want to tell your mother about. It is bad. People, the information is out there for you. It is out there. It is. I'm going to pull the tweet right now. Hold on a second. Let me just pull the tweet. Let me just scroll back to this tweet because I put it. Yes, leave. Yes, leave. Thank you. All right. Pull my screen really quickly.
Ooh, I've never been turned on by a man as much as I have right now. Thank you, TMI. You called him out like the trash he is.
Wait, pull my screen. Pull my screen.
Oh, your screen. Let's go.
Shit. I tweeted out 13 hours ago with a sleeping emoji because I'm sleeping on you, my friend. This was June 10th. That 4-hour 1348 cross is deadly. Dash. Last time we saw this market drop from 445 to 380, we were ready. Puts printed. I was telling you this from June 10th. It's now currently June 13th, my man. You just woke up. I'm happy to see you. I'm happy you woke up. I'm happy you're healthy. But my guy, we knew this was coming. We told you it was coming. I don't know what else to say. I couldn't have done it then. I tweeted out. Hold on a second. Let me go back. Hold on a second. Let me scroll back here. This is yesterday. Looking at this week ahead, stock market, it's about to go down. How do you want it? Want me to write you a letter? I tweet it. I put on Instagram. What else? Let me see if I can go back down here. Hold on a second. Let's see here. Breaking news, inflation. It's just we told you. That's it. That's all I got. It is what it is. I didn't even get my drink on.
Oh man.
How do I do that?
Oh man.
Wait. What do you mean? How do I do that? From Tony Kernodle? How do you do what? Get in on puts? Oh, guys. Yeah. I forgot. Sorry. Yeah, really quickly. If you guys are already in the Discord, this does not apply for you. Of course, hope you guys are having a great time. Catch you guys later on tonight for the live stream to make sure we can kind of get ourselves set up for what's happening later on this week. But if you guys are not, The prices are going up. We are looking to invest much more into the Discord to build more things to make the platform better for everybody. But if you guys are looking to get in at any point in time in the near future, the best time is always now. It's never going to be cheaper than this, and it always will save you money for any price increase in the future in perpetuity. Meaning, you could, if you're looking at dollars and cents, you save yourself money by entering now, because the difference you save on a monthly basis for years, if you choose to be so in part of the Discord for that long, right? It's kind of making a lot of sense. And even off the tweet, guys, you could have made yourself enough money to pay for Discord for a year, and that was free. The information is out there. We just break down how you guys can kind of get confident and understand for yourselves, so you guys can conviction these plays and can action on them whenever you guys see fit. I mean, yeah, we're trying. We're trying. I'm just trying to there. I can't say buy puts. I can't give financial advice, but I mean, like, it's there, people. It's there.
Here we go, Justin. Justin, if the prices are going up, you're not investing. We are investing. No. We are the only Opera certified Discord. 1348 Discord out there. Okay? Just that simple. And listen, dude, look at man, you could go ahead and go against the grain, or you could give me your mother's number, and I'll start paying your child support. We could do that. But I'm sorry, your father did not. He was not a stand-up guy. He did not show you how to be a fucking man. But Jesus Christ, if you're gonna be in this live stream just talking shit, come on, man, go beta somewhere else. But still, I want your mother's number. I still want your mother's number.
I think it's good. I think that's good. I think it's a good question that you got called up for, which is also good. But I think it's not just about investing, because the trade strategy to me has been, I would say, mastered, right? Meaning that with or without a group of people, we can still use the strategy to eat on our own. But this is building something that's bigger, right? It is a community. It's building a place where people can actually educate themselves. Like, none of us really came up from great backgrounds. So being able to provide people with a better start, or at least ending, what we saw coming up is completely different. So, I mean, if you're closed-minded enough to think that an investment in yourself would be an investment for somebody else, it's not it. That's not it at all. You missed the point.
Yeah.
And that's okay. Yeah. And if you don't understand that, that's fine. You probably won't understand the trading strategy anyway, so it's all right.
So Angie's saying, how about my number? Wow. As long as you ain't on my Instagram talking about come see me, we good.
It's funny. It's funny you said that. It's funny because last time you posted that, yeah, I can say this. Last time you posted that, I probably got about 3 different messages from people saying come see me. From last time you said that on the live stream, 3 different messages. And if you're currently in the chat right now, I don't really know what your YouTube name is or what your YouTube names are. So I'm not intentionally speaking about you on the live. I have no idea. But I was looking through the messages that I was just seeing. I was just like, oh, this is definitely Gabe's doing. This is definitely Gabe's doing.
Yeah, man.
Oh, man.
Wow. Like for me, it's just like, how you gonna come at me, talk about come see me, and expect me to pay for you when you took it up the ass from your man for free?
Come to the H. I think she's down. I don't think any of this is scaring her. I think she's doubling down. But mind you, my messages were saying come see me, but they were going to pay. They were going to pay for like food and stuff, nothing else, just like food and stuff. But that's different.
Sending me messages like my rent's due. And
for it. I'm waiting for you to come back. I don't know. Angie, this is a test right now. I don't know if you're about that life. I don't know if
you don't want that life.
We'll find out in a few seconds here. The
minute I pay for something, you're my bitch.
Angie just logged off.
Period.
Angie just logged
off. Seriously. No, man. Look it. I'm all about money. I ain't about doing fucking community service out here.
Oh, you know what? She's still here.
Angie, I love you. We're just having some fun.
She's still here.
She got thick skin. Yo, Angie got bigger balls than most of you men.
I knew you're going there. I knew you were going there. I knew it.
She could fucking take it, dude. She could take
I knew
it.
it. I knew
Ooh.
it. And you're not wrong. And mind you, you're not wrong. No, you're not wrong.
Ooh.
You're not wrong.
Oof.
At all. At all.
Oh, Foodmatic. TMI has seen how many hoes chase me. He's seen it with his own eyes.
Oh, yeah. Don't do that. Keys. I think you'd give Gabe for a run for his money if he was passed out. But if he's awake, it's tough. It's tough.
Angie says I've been flirting with you on all platforms, but baby, I'm not a simp.
Ooh, she said she's been putting up shots.
Yo, I got my flashlight. I'm all fucking good.
There we go. Listen, I'll tell you guys something. Actually, I won't tell you something, but I saw something was sent to my phone. I was just like, what the fuck is going on here? I was like, what the hell is going on? I had to scroll to read a bit. I was like, okay, cool. I know what's going on now. But speaking about flashlight and getting fucked, look at the SPY right now.
I love it. Look at this. Where's she going? Like, where is she going? Like, this is a perfect example. This is like, when a girl gets on top of you and she starts going down your chest, you know where the fuck she's going. We know where resistance is at.
Where did that come from? Oh my God.
Oh yeah, she going up because your dick stink.
Oh shit. Oh god damn. Oh man. All right, we gotta go to switch to OnlyFans view now. We gotta switch it up. Switching up to the OnlyFans view. We gotta scroll back a little bit. Oh there we go. Where's RD going? This is too much. Hey, but look, listen. No lies. But no, guys, listen. I think at this point in time, trade safely. Make sure you get careful out there. The market isn't moving in a fashion that's necessarily. There was a few different drops with the big guys: Apple, NVIDIA, AMD, Tesla, the SPY. But outside of that little drop there, be careful. Tomorrow we have a few different things coming up that I think are worth noting. The FOMC meetings come up. We do see some bullshit action sometimes when that happens. So be prepared for a little bit of a market shakeup. And then the following day at 2 p.m. remarks from Jerome Powell after the FOMC meeting, guys. We know how crazy that gets. If it's bad, we could see a run back up to 400 by Monday of next week. If it's good. If it's bad, we could see something like 360 or 340 by the Friday of the following week. So it's going to be one direction or another. Keep yourself ready.
Always be ready.
I hope listen. No. If listen, the typical people that I do stream to with their family, their kids, the stream is done at 2 p.m. This is for adults. We could probably make this an 18 and up stream. Yeah, we can chat about that. We can probably make this an 18 and up stream. That way, I think
this might have to be an OnlyFans stream.
We might. Like, I got the camera ready. You guys can tell what's going on, baby. The camera's ready. I mean, the mask is already off, so that was the big appeal, right? But I mean, that's what it is.
Oh my God. All right. Guys, we've been on for an hour and 15 minutes. It is now 3:20. If you're playing the 5-minute, just know that you've got about 7 candles to work with. We're now holding anything overnight. If you're going to go ahead and play the 1 minute, play the 1 minute. God bless you. Just remember, that the strategy stays the same on all time frames.
That's it.
Respect, support, and resistance. All right. Listen, I understand some of y'all was some badass little motherfuckers. They ain't respect your mother, ain't respect your father. But when it comes to money, you better respect, support, and resistance.
I'm not
They're
gonna lie.
gonna bitch slap the
I heard
fuck
some
out of
New
you.
York in your voice just now. I heard some New York in your voice.
Oh man. So
You heard it.
what I miss?
I don't know what happened. Mask, but he. Don. This is not the shoot the shit chat at 12 a.m. Okay, we gotta save the crazy talk for the Discord late night chat. That stays over there. That stays over there.
Oh, which actually makes me think, should we just do, you know how we have the shoot the shit channel?
Mm-hmm.
Why don't we do the shoot the shit live stream?
Oh, we could. We cancel tomorrow though. We'd be canceled tomorrow. The stories that I plan on telling on the shoot the shit, like they don't even know yet. They don't even know half the stories yet. We still got the volleyball story to go through. I still got the candy store story to go through. We you know what? Let's run through a few different stories, do a few different test runs, and then we'll do that on OnlyFans.
Man,
Well, we'll be
they
only
ain't
3
ready.
guys.
They
on
just
OnlyFans.
ain't ready. Oh, they ain't ready. They not ready. All right. So, love you all. Trade safe out there. The market gave opportunity. Right? You need to be an opportunist, but play it smart. That's it. All right. These fuckboys with pretty hair, they will be fuckboys with pretty hair, and that's all they're good for. Take it for what you will. We're outie.
Deuces.
Bye.